This is with respect to political infighting and a rift that continues within the Punjab Congress here. Well, the Punjab Chief Minister is in the national capital today. This is to meet with the Congress President Sonia Gandhi. That meeting is currently underway at her residence, 10 Janpath. Senior Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge also present here. This development, it's important to note, has happened because he has failed to get an audience earlier with the Congress High Command when he had visited the national capital, which was towards the end of June. We're talking about the Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh here. While his Beth Noah, the Congress MLA, Navjot Singh Sidhu, having met already with Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi last week. Now, it remains to be seen if the Congress, though, with this final meet, as it seems, manages to broker some peace between the two warring factions of the Punjab Congress here. Multiple efforts that have been made, committees that have been set up with a list of recommendations which haven't been taken up by either to reach midway. We have with us our correspondent Ayushman getting us further details here on this. Ayushman, what are your sources telling you? The lines along which this meeting is happening, because a lot has already happened pertaining to this issue, and this does seem like a last-ditch effort.
Well, sir, we are here outside Sonia Gandhi's residence, and you can see here the stage is set for arrival of Amrinder Singh. We are being told currently that in a short while from now, the meeting that is taking place with Sonia Gandhi and Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh is going to conclude, and after which he will be addressing the media out here. Currently, Mallikarjun Kharge, we are also being told he has come here, and he is also present in the meeting. It gains importance because Mallikarjun Kharge is the head of the three-member team which was formed to look into the matter that is there. And currently, if you see in this situation, Navjot Singh Sidhu had come to the national capital, and he got an audience from both Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi. And today, Captain Amrinder Singh is here. The infighting between the Congress of Punjab unit is something that is out in open. And will the Congress be able to seek that advantage that it has in Punjab? And how will the party fight back? Because currently two top leaders, Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, their infighting is currently out in open, and the High Command is meeting. This is for past 15 days we have been seeing that a series of meeting has taken place. What will be the outcome of this meeting? Will Navjot Singh Sidhu be getting what he is desiring, or will Captain Amrinder Singh's own words will matter? That remains to be seen. But from we are being told for few minutes from now, we'll see that Captain Amrinder Singh will be coming here, and he will be addressing the media over what has been discussed in the meeting so far.
Okay. All right, so we're going to be waiting for that to happen. But Ayushman, very quickly before we slip into a breather here on this, there's a lot of flashpoints in Punjab for the Chief Minister back home, not just with respect to the infighting, but also in how his leadership is being questioned, on how he's been running the state. This is specifically, of course, top of the mind pertaining to the ongoing electricity crisis there.
Yes, in fact, sir, not to forget that the state is only having 6 months before election, and the Congress, as we know, in the situation that the farms bills are present and the way the farmers movement has taken place, has got an edge in Punjab. But the infighting that is brewing out in open, and we have seen for past a few weeks, in fact, all the advantage the party has, in fact, has been seen. There has been factionalism that is somewhere there in the Punjab Congress unit, and for that only we are seeing series of meetings taking place. Will any of this be working on ground? Will there be a truce between the Chief Minister and Navjot Singh Sidhu, who was there a few years back? He was there in BJP and has got in Congress right now. So that is to be seen. But for now, definitely the series of meetings are on, and right now the Chief Minister is meeting the Congress President Sonia Gandhi.
Ayushman, thank you for getting us those updates there.